guys, what's up? My name is Angelica and you're watching my YouTube channel. Now, you've seen little glimpses of my room in the past when I make videos at my desk, but you've never really seen the full of it. So that's why, for today's video, I've decided to do a room tour. Surprise! David's coming with us too because he wanted to, and why not? But before we get started, I ask you to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm a small YouTuber, so every like counts. Thanks for that. And anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, let's begin our tour. There's my door, pretty obvious. There's this little nice mosaic I made once. And there's this dog stuffed armchair thingy I got for Christmas one year. It's cute. Here's my closet. This is called the box. I put stuff on it, but there's nothing on it now. This is just an old suitcase to keep in my room. There's a chair. It's really old. And just nothing. So anyway, my closet's a lot like most closets. Hi, David. Hi. Here's my bed. Because what's the point of a bedroom if you don't have a bed, right? Here's this little hanger with my unicorn hoodie. Some more frequent viewers may be familiar with the unicorn hoodie because I did it in some of my older videos. Here's my window. There's the sign. So you may see a nice little lamp. Here's my alarm clock. Here's my picture. Ceiling fan. There's a map of the United States. And this nice easel and thing. I never really got around to using them. Some more art stuff over in there. There's some stuff for my softer and bigger toys. There's my Easter basket over here because I have nowhere else to put it, really. And this painting's here because I have nowhere else to put it, too. I could tell you about the stuff in the shelves, but that would take hours, and I think that requires another video. Like if you want that video, guys. So over here's my lamp, my desk lamp. My glasses. Make-A-Wish stone from Lake Superior. We've been there a couple times. Some bookmarks. I made a video on those. My water bottle. I kept it in my room because I was sick not too long ago, and in my family, if you're sick, you automatically use your water bottle and not any normal water source because we don't want anyone else getting sick, but that usually happens when you're some distance learning stuff, some posters, some artwork. There's some certificates, some artwork, an American flag. Yeah. My markers and my stuff like that. A bookmark I got from Literati. I talked about Literati in my last video, so if you haven't watched that already, go check it out. There's a ruler. There are some books and stuff. Some boxes and board games and things. You know. Here's my piggy bank / ladybug bank. A few photos. A few books. Some other stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of my room tour with David. If you liked the video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome stuff. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, and I do lots of cool things like fights, tours, all sorts of things. So yeah, like, subscribe, because it would really help me as a small YouTuber, and I'll see you next time. This was Angelica. Peace out. Bye.